Hello my friends, this is TechRubber. In this video I'm just going to share my experiment to removing account warning from my TikTok account, which does have like 1 million followers. If you are searching a way to remove account warning, you are in the right place, and let me show you how we can do this. I'm just going to share my experiment what I did to remove this account warning when I just got that on my TikTok account. Now you can see it's completely clear, there's no warning. There are two ways to remove this kind of warning from your TikTok account. That's why you have to go on setting and privacy. Once you got here on setting and privacy, scroll all the way down and finding out report a problem. In the report a problem page, you have to go tap on account and profile. Then go tap on profile page. Scroll all the way down and you will see other, tap on it, then tap again on no, then choose the need more help. Once you click on need more help, you have to just fill this box about the video you got warning, and you're gonna share a screenshot of your profile as I did here. So let me show you what I wrote here. You can see I wrote this and I just asked from TikTok to review my video. I got warning from that, and that's not illegal, so they removed the warning from my account. So when your video does have the problem, what you're gonna do, and this is the second way, you have to ask from your fans to comment on your videos, and each video must have more than 100 comments. When you did this on your TikTok account, that warning will be removed in 1 or 2 weeks, because I test this way too. So it's all about how we can remove warning from your TikTok account. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and sharing it with your friends. See you until next week to our videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.